Here we go. CNC group break number 1832. Break reverse break number 1. We're going to start with the 1011 Zenith and Contenders. Alright, we start with base. We've got a red hot for the Phoenix Coyotes, Shane Doan. And a rookie to $9.99 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Eric Tangradi. We've got a rookie autograph, number to $9.99 for the New Jersey Devils, Matthias Tenby. And a creases a word for the Dallas Stars, Kari Lettman. Oh, thank you, Reyes. I love you. We've got a gifted Grinders jersey, number to $2.99 for the Nashville Predators, Shea Weber. We've got a white hot, numbered 5 of 25 for the LA Kings, Dustin Brown. 5 of 25, Dustin Brown. And a gifted Grinders for the New York Rangers, Mark Stahl. We've got base. We've got a Mosaics triple for the Vancouver Canucks, Ryan Kessler, Alex Burrows, and Roberto Luongo. We've got a Mosaics triple dual jersey for the Colorado Avalanche, TJ Gagliardi, Paul Stastny, and Matt Duchene. Base. We got a rookie roll call for the Carolina Hurricanes, Skinner. Jeff Skinner. And base. Alright, so now on to the Dare 2 tier. We've got a rookie auto gold, number to 99 for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Dana Tyrell. I think we pulled 3 of those 99 in the past couple of weeks. Under the Contenders. Colby Flow, come on. We've got a redemption for a rookie ticket autograph for the Chicago Blackhawks, Nick Leddy. Rookie ticket auto for the Hawks. We've got an against the glass for the Winnipeg Jets, Evander Kane. Base. We've got the Great Outdoors for the Chicago Blackhawks, Jonathan Toews. We've got a perennial Contenders for the San Jose Sharks, Joe Thornton. We've got a lottery winners for the Edmonton Oilers, Sam Gagner. We've got a rookie ticket autograph for the Winnipeg Jets, Alex Burmistrov. We've got a legendary contenders for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux. Base. We've got an awards contenders for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. We've got a Rookie of the Year Contenders autograph, number 23 of 50 for the Colorado Avalanche, Kevin Shattenkirk. We've got an awards contenders emerald, numbered 8 of 50 for the Washington Capitals, Alexander Semin. We've got a sad face. We've got a rookie ticket auto for the New Jersey Devils, Alexander Vasyunov. We've got a Rookie of the Year contenders for the Washington Capitals, John Carlson. Base. Base. We've got an Against the Glass for the Nashville Predators, Shea Weber. Shea Weber. We've got a classic ticket for the Boston Bruins, Reggie Lemelin. Base. We've got a draft tandems, which would be random between the New York Rangers and Detroit Red Wings, Brian Leetch and Adam Graves. Brian Leetch, Adam Graves. Base. Base. We've got a playoff ticket, numbered to 100 for the Calgary Flames, Rene Bourque. 27 of 100, Rene Bourque. Might be his New Jersey number, if I'm not mistaken. And we got a leather larceny for the Nashville Predators, Pekka Rinne. All right, go next, the 11-12 SPX and 12-13 certified.